Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method of Python, which is isspace. So isspace method is used to verify whether the variable that you are passing with isspace contains only blank or spaces. Okay, so it will check if it contains only white space, blank, or means it is blank. Then in that case, it will return the value as true. Other than this, if it contains other than this characters or numbers, then it will show the false. Okay, so I have noted down few scenarios here to clear the concept. We will go one by one for each scenario. So on scenario 1, you can see that first variable text I am assigning the value as complete blank. So on line number 10 we are printing it as it is, and then we are using is space method. So text dot is a space, this is the syntax where you can use is a space. It will check if it returns true, then it is a boolean output, so we are converting it to string just to concatenate it with is a space, and then we are changing the line with \n. Okay, so let's see the output. Control S, Control Shift tilde, terminal open, and then we will put here Python space session 21.py. So session 21 is my program name. So it prints multiple output. Let's see one by one. So for the first one, it is returning true. Why? Because this entire variable contains only spaces, not other than space. So that's why it is returning true. For scenario 2, we can see that it contains characters, numbers, as well as spaces. So will it return true? No, it will not return true. Why? Because it accepts only spaces and not characters, neither character nor numbers. So for in that case, it will return the value as false, which is correct. So in the same manner, we are just printing the before line, and then we are printing is a space with output. Fine. In third scenario, what we are doing, we are using characters only, character, space, and character. So what it will do, it will return false again, because it is also not a spaces. We have character in that variable, that's why it is giving that false. For same fourth scenario, you can see that we are using numbers and space, so it will also return false because numbers are also not allowed. Okay, so overall you can say that it only accepts spaces. Other than space, whatever there is in the variable, it will consider it as a false, and you will get false. So yeah, this is all about this method is a space. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.